Yep, doesn't matter. Sit back. Little kick, big kick. And then soften your reins a little bit. There you go. Soften your thighs a little bit so that he can canter forward. Kick on. So the last couple weeks, Wilbur, Carol may have told you, has been doing a tiny bit of jumping. So he sort of has the idea now that he can sort of lump around like a little hunter. And I've had to convince him in the last couple of days that he has to put a tiny bit more effort into the canter. So let's go down the long side. Let's get a little bit higher tempo. Canter on and kick. There you go. Good. No less than this side. Give him another kick. Come on. Kick on. There we go. Right.
That's good.
Exactly. This is your tempo. If he has the option to go slower, he will. So he's sort of figuring out now with you how much effort he has to put into this whole ride. Really good. Canter on. Kick, especially through the corners. Let's get a little bit more canter.
Are you kicking with just your inside leg or both legs?
Both
Yeah.
legs.
Give him a good one.
Yeah, and you can really boot him once.
Yeah, give him a good one.
There you go. And you're totally right on a horse that you're riding for the first time. That is usually the last thing you would do to go ahead and kick him hard. At least it's generally not a recipe for success. But with him, you actually can, and I've ridden him enough to know that for sure he's not going to do anything. Come on. This is your canter. Exactly.
Nice.
No slower than this. Canter on, kick, 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 hard, quick. There you go.
She's got
Good.
she's got the legs.
There you go, Shannon, nice. Okay, and forward to rising trot, but let's have a nice big lengthening as you go down the rail. And trot. Kick, kick, kick.